Hey guys, welcome back. So just want to show you what I got here. I got a creature's habitat kit. It's a 3-gallon tank and it was about a $25 kit. I just had to get my hands on it. I'm still thinking about what to do with it. I might keep it as a safe haven for any baby dart frogs that hatch in my tank, or I might put a new animal in here, some kind of insect, maybe a praying mantis. If you guys have any ideas of any animals you would like to see in here, please comment down below and let me know what you think. And also make sure to like and subscribe if you like the content in this channel, and I'll be sure to make more of it. Also, just want to show you an update on my vivarium, how all the plants are growing and how everything's doing. If you guys remember, I did have a video a while back where I showed you some of my blue azureus and my yellow lacamello dart frogs. They are still in here. It's a little early, but let's see what we can find.